Well, we see that happen frequently in a couple of different ways. A current trend that we're seeing is one spouse trying to prepay college expenses. The law in Illinois apportions those expenses based on a number of different factors, not the least of which is the financial resources of the parties. If, for example, someone pays $50,000 in advance for college, well, that $50,000 is taken out of the marital estate. It's no longer subject to division by the court. It may, if it's going to be a 50-50 split of the estate, well, that means that both spouses have now effectively paid for half of college. Or in a situation where the parties' resources are not equal, then maybe one spouse doesn't have an obligation to pay half. That's a form of hiding assets. We see it frequently in the context of closely held business interests. Sometimes money is moved around in the family business for expense reimbursement, for inappropriate expenditures, for investments that are placed in other names rather than the name of the business enterprise that's operated by the other spouse. We see it in the form of retained earnings that are accumulated pre-divorce in an effort to shield that money from division with the soon-to-be former spouse. There are a number of different techniques that have been used over the years. We're well versed in what those techniques are. We know how to find them. We know how to deal with them. And while they may slow the process or make it more cumbersome, those are obstacles that certainly we routinely overcome in our practice here at the firm.